Hello everyone, welcome to GoLogica Data Science with Python Training. An in-depth information. Let us discuss what is data science with Python roadmap, about course eligibility criteria, roles and responsibilities, salaries training program. About course, data science with Python is the process of extracting insights from data using the Python powerful libraries and tools. Data science is one of the most sought-after fields today, with applications spanning across industries such as healthcare, finance, marketing, and technology. Python has emerged as the preferred programming language for data science due to its simplicity, vast libraries, and strong community support. This video explores how Python is used in data science, covering essential libraries, tools, and techniques for data analysis, visualization, and machine learning. Python is a popular choice in data science due to its simplicity, rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks, active community support, scalability, and versatility. It is used in various domains such as AI, web development, and automation. Key libraries include NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Scikit-learn. Data science workflows with Python include data collection, data cleaning, and pre-processing, exploratory data analysis, EDA, feature engineering, model building and training, model evaluation, and deployment and monitoring. Python's real-world applications include healthcare, finance, marketing, retail, and social media. Examples include disease prediction, medical image analysis, fraud detection, risk assessment, algorithmic trading, customer segmentation, recommendation systems, demand forecasting, price optimization, inventory management, and trend analysis. Mastering Python and its ecosystem can unlock endless opportunities in data science, AI, and machine learning. Whether a beginner or an experienced data scientist, learning Python for data science can help them excel in their careers and contribute to solving real-world problems. The course is suitable for beginners and professionals looking to transition into data science. Hands-on projects and real-world case studies help reinforce learning. By the end of the training, learners gain proficiency in Python for data science applications, preparing them for roles such as data analyst, machine learning engineer, or data scientist. Eligibility criteria. The eligibility criteria for a data science with Python course vary by institution, but generally include programming skills. Basic proficiency in Python is recommended, though some courses start from scratch. Understanding probability, linear algebra, and statistical concepts is beneficial. A background in computer science, mathematics, statistics, engineering, or a related field is preferred but not always mandatory. Analytical thinking, problem solving, and logical reasoning skills are essential. Strong logical thinking and enthusiasm for data-driven decision-making are highly beneficial. Here are some key roles you can pursue after completing a data science with Python course. Data scientist analyzes complex data, builds predictive models, and drives business insights using Python. Data analyst processes and visualizes data to identify trends and assist in decision-making. Machine learning engineer develops and deploys machine learning models using Python libraries like TensorFlow and Scikit-learn. Business intelligence analyst translates data into actionable insights for business growth and strategy. AI engineer works on artificial intelligence projects, leveraging Python for deep learning and automation. Big data engineer manages large data sets and optimizes data processing workflows using Python and Spark. Data engineer designs and maintains data pipelines and databases to support analytics and machine learning. Research scientist conducts in-depth data analysis and experimentation to solve scientific and business problems. Quantitative analyst uses Python for financial modeling, risk analysis, and investment strategy development. Product analyst evaluates product performance and user behavior through Python-driven analytics. Here we explain the salaries of data science with Python. The given salaries are based on U.S. market data and depend upon location, experience, and company size. Data scientist. A data scientist analyzes data and builds machine learning models. The average salary of $100,000, $125,000 per annum. Data analyst. A data analyst processes and analyzes data to identify trends, generate reports, and support decision-making. Average salary is $60,000, $120,000 per annum. Machine learning engineer creates, develops, and deploys machine learning models and optimizes algorithms. Average salary, $115,000, $140,000 per annum business intelligence analyst. Analyzes business data, creates dashboards, and generates insights to guide strategic decisions. The average salary is $115,000, $135,000 per annum AI engineer. An AI engineer designs and implements AI models. Average salary, $170,000, $200,000 per annum. Big data engineer. A big data engineer designs and manages scalable data processing systems. Average salary, $115,000, $145,000 per annum. Data engineers design and maintain data pipelines. Average salary, $100,000, $130,000 per annum. Research scientist. A research scientist in data science focuses on advanced algorithms, statistical models. Average salary of $140,000, $180,000 per annum. Quantitative analyst, to solve financial problems, focusing on risk, pricing, and trading. The average salary is $120,000, $150,000 per annum product analyst, guide product decisions and strategy, and the average salary is $95,000, $120,000 per annum. Training program. Transform the world of data science with GoLogica. The GoLogica Extensive Data Science with Python Training. Whether you're a beginner or looking to advance your skills, our course is designed to provide a deep understanding of data science principles, Python programming, machine learning, and data analysis techniques. Throughout this training, you'll gain hands-on experience using popular libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and Scikit-learn to analyze data and build predictive models. Our expert instructors ensure that you receive top-quality education through interactive lectures, real-world projects, and case studies. Upon successful completion of the course, you'll receive a Data Science with Python certification, a valuable credential to boost your career in the data science field. We don't just teach theory. Our training includes detailed interview preparation, mock interviews, and guidance on resume building to help you stand out to potential employers. Get personalized advice and feedback to enhance your profile. 24/7. Support. Our dedicated support team is available around the clock to help you with any questions, doubts, or technical issues, ensuring that your learning journey is smooth and productive. Join GoLogica today and take the first step toward a successful career in data science.